Alrighty, here we go. Room tour 12024, 12th floor in the BEAU Rivage. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, normally we try to do these room tours on day one. However, we had quite a debacle where we actually did not get into the BEAU Rivage till roughly 4 a.m. when we got here, and we went to bed. We woke up today, we were doing a room tour. So let's enter this. Come in, you're going to go to the right-hand side here, and it's going to be your master bathroom. I mean, what a beautiful bathroom. Full, gorgeous bath. So you got a bathtub in here, so Sammy loves her bath, so you can take a bath. You got a big, beautiful vanity. Look at this like seashell sink's really cool. Tissues, one of those cool magnifying glasses. Standard toilet, nice shower. I've already done the shower, so actually it's a really nice shower. Really nice shelf too. You got a lot of room to put some stuff there. Shampoo, you got the MGM Resort shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So there is your shower. They leave you one of those little shower towels in case you don't want to do one of those. See a little place back there to hang a towel. Wow, no storage up underneath though. That's surprising to me. Let's see what you got here. Hand wash and body lotion. So it does come with those. Couple cups. You got 2 plugs right there if you need to plug in any items into the wall on that. And that's pretty much your standard bathroom. So it is nice that it does have the bath and tub, which is nice. The Sammy really likes that. So as you exit here, you're gonna walk into this big, beautiful room. Look how big this room is for a standard king. It's a beautiful room. Again, excuse our luggage out. We got in late. Nice mirror. This is gonna be your closet here. Open it up, you're gonna have a wall safe. I hate the wall safes. You have absolutely no room in a wall safe whatsoever. I mean, what are you gonna put in there, really? There's like no room. So not a big fan of the wall safes, but you got a wall safe. You got a place you can put your luggage, hangers. You got an ironing board with an iron. What is this back here? Oh, that must be your hair dryer. One nice thing this room does have is a fridge. Now this fridge, I'll be honest, is ice cold, which is nice. Sometimes the fridges don't work, but you got a nice fridge. There is a convenience store across the street that you can go get drinks from. Nice full-size mirror if you're getting ready. If the girl wants to do her makeup while you're getting ready. This is a connecting room. We do have that locked, but it is cool. You got a connecting room. As you come on in, here's your room right here. So they got another place you can put your luggage. Really nice piece of artwork. 3-piece artwork's kind of cool. One nice thing I'll tell you is they provide you with waters. 3 waters every time we had our room cleaned today. They brought you another 3 waters. I mean, that's nice. 3 drawers here. You got your Bible, drawer, pen and notepad. Look at this. This is nice. Look, you got a standard plug there. You got a USB. You got your light. That's really nice there. So not a lot of nice plugs there. King bed. The bed was really comfortable. Have your coffee station. Sammy made it looks like a tea. You got your Keurig station, coffees and creamers. Don't mind this. We got a little bit of stuff there. Nice full-size television. Sitting area with a little table you can sit at. Look at this. I want to show you guys this. More outlets. I don't know if you can see them. If I can show you guys that. Regular outlet, USB outlet. Really nice. 2 chairs. I did sit in them. They're very comfortable. Thermostat. And then on this side, we've got even more. You got your alarm clock. USB, regular plug, USB. Tons of areas for chargers. More drawers, standard drawers there. Again, 4 pillows, which is really nice. You got your waters, you got your ice bucket. I mean, again, they keep refilling our waters, which is amazing. Look at all this storage in here. So much storage in this room. I'm really impressed. As far as like cleanliness, there's not much wear and tear. I honestly feel like they just did a remodel on these. I mean, even the tapestries and curtains right here, they all feel really nice and new. We did get a view, which is kind of cool. So we're overlooking Fat Tuesdays. There's the convenience store, the Waffle House. Down that way is going to be Hard Rock. You got a baseball stand right there. It would be really cool to come watch a baseball game. But again, as far as the room itself, I really feel like they just must have redone it. It looks really, really well kept. I don't see any signs of wear and tear. Just look at the ambiance of that part above the bed right there. I mean, that's kind of like sconce. Is beautiful. What do you think?
Definitely gives Bellagio vibes. We go to Borgata a lot. We flew with MGM Air. Borgata can't compare anywhere near to this. Really, really nice. Kind of giving Hard Rock, Tampa, and Hollywood vibes. Everything is really clean. Nothing is dented or dirty or dusty or stained or any of that. Very clean, very new, and I feel like they put a lot of money into it. I mean, just look at this freaking artwork piece in here. There's art on every crevice of every wall. Look at the back of this TV. I just feel like they put a lot of unnecessary money into it, which is really nice. So 10 out of 10, really like the Beau Rivage room. I was thinking it was gonna be, to Mississippi, it's gonna be, you know, worse than the Borgata. Very nice room, 10 out of 10. That's room tour. Like, subscribe, go check out all our Beau Rivage videos, buffet tours, daily vlogs. You'll see it all on there. Like, subscribe, we'll see you in the next one.